Hi Dr. Glauer, here's a quick presentation of my chords program. Basically RB0 will turn on all the timers and will then make port C0 up to port C3 toggle at the different frequencies. I didn't have enough resistors to wire all of them together like the homework and stuff suggested, so we'll have to test each port one at a time. So right now we're on port C3, hold RB0, it should play. We're getting B, let's go to port 2, A, port 1, G, and port 0, E. Of my interrupt counter. So RB0 on the rising edge, the count goes up, and RB1 on the falling edge, the count goes down. So if I press and hold RB0, it goes up, let go, nothing happens. Press and hold, goes up, still holding, let go. Okay, well that wasn't supposed to happen. I think sometimes the buttons bounce, but for the most part it goes up on the down press. And then RB1, it should only go down on the release, so press, release, press, release, press, release, press, up, release. So yeah. Hi Dr. Glauer, so this is a presentation of this week's project. This week I decided to make a music box, so I programmed it to play Mary Had a Little Lamb when you press RB0, and if you press RB1 it resets the song and stops playing until you press RB0 again. So on the LCD I have it set up so on the left here it'll display the step, so that's where the spot is at in the song, so we can watch that increment as it plays more notes. This will be 0 when it's off and 1 when it's playing the song, so we will be able to test that the buttons start and stop it. And also next to that I will also be displaying the note that is being played, and then it's hooked up to the speaker, and I'll do my best to capture what note is being played on my phone. It doesn't always pick it up the best because my notes aren't played for a long duration. And then once the sequence reaches the end, the top of the LCD will display the time that it took from start to finish using timer 3. And timer 0 is used to control the timing of each note, and the timer 1 is used to control the frequency of each note. So let's go ahead and run through RB1. Okay. Run it again. This time I'll hit RB1. It stops. If I hit RB0 again, it starts from the beginning. And then if you also notice the step is incrementing by 2, it seems like. That's because between each note I add a short pause, so it actually sounds like someone's playing separate notes. This pause is really short, so it doesn't really show up on the steps because it happens before the LCD can really update. And then, so the time takes about 15.8 seconds to run through the sequence, when the actual song should take 16 seconds. So I use that to check the accuracy of my program and timers. And so yeah, let's try and watch this as it plays. And that was my project.